video, we'll study about Carnot principle or Carnot statement. So I'll read out the statement one by one and then we'll have a discussion upon that. If the reversible and irreversible cycle are working between the same temperature limit, then the efficiency of the reversible cycle is always greater than that of the irreversible cycle. For example, let us take an example that this cycle is reversible, the first cycle is reversible and the second cycle is irreversible cycle. And they are operating between the same temperature limit. For example, the higher limit of both of them is 800 Kelvin and the lower limit is 500 Kelvin. So they both are working under the same temperature limit, but the one is reversible and the other one is irreversible. So in that condition, the efficiency of the reversible cycle will always be greater than the efficiency of the irreversible cycle. This is the first statement. Okay. So if the reversible and irreversible cycle are working between the same temperature limits, then the efficiency of the reversible one is always greater than that of the irreversible one. Okay. And the next statement is, efficiency of reversible cycle depends only on the temperature limits. Okay, I have already told you that if you talk about COP, if you talk about refrigerator, okay, or anything if you talk about, so in refrigerator case, the desired heat, okay, the desired input is QL and the work is W, okay. So this is the formula for in the case of refrigerator. Okay. It can be written like this, QL divided by QH minus QL. This formula of COP for refrigerator is valid for both. Okay. Reversible case also and for the irreversible case also. But if you talk about reversible case only, then the COP of refrigerator can be written as TL divided by TH minus TL. So from here only you can see that the efficiency of the reversible cycle, okay, means the efficiency of reversible cycle is only depending on temperature limit. It is only depending on temperature limit. I am taking the example of COP here. You can take the example of efficiency in the case of heat engine, because in case of refrigerator and heat pump we talk about COP, but in case of heat engine we talk about efficiency. Okay. And the next statement is, if multiple number of reversible cycle are working between the same temperature limit, means you have n number of reversible cycle working in the same temperature limit. For example, let us take example, the higher limit of each and every cycle is 800 and lower limit is 500. So if they are working in the same temperature limit, then the efficiency of all the cycles of all the reversible cycle will be same. Okay, it will be same. You can take example. So for example, these all are the reversible cycles and they are operating between the same temperature limit, that is higher limit is 800 Kelvin and the lower limit is 500 Kelvin, and they all are reversible. So the efficiency of one will be equal to the efficiency of 2, it will be equal to the efficiency of 3.